run the client application. So this is how it goes. So you can just, before we start the client application, one more point which I would like to inform you here is, so while we are generating this client exe, for that we need to provide the server details. The other way how you can find the static IP is just go and write what's my IP, and you will find your IP here. You can just copy it from here and just paste it in the server address and the alternative server address, and then you have to change the port, that is 19919, right? Then I press the create button and it will create the client exe for me. And where is going to create it? It will be on the application path itself. I can just right click and say open file location, and you will find a WebDel Y application here, right? You can just copy this exe file from here, and you can see this is on the application server. Now let me have it on a client machine. Now I can go and paste it there. Likewise, and once I have pasted this file, I can just right click and run it as an administrator. Once I run this, the first screen will be, you have to provide the username password which you have given while creating the server application, and you have created all the users. Once you click OK, login, on the left hand side you find that okay, these were the programs which were assigned to Pankaj, and if I click on one of the programs, it will just take me to the server, and now you have to provide the user ID and password of the application, right? It is running here, and I need to first provide the user ID and password. So for example, let me log in, and you can find that you'll feel like that the application is on your desktop only, so you can just use it with a lot of things. So similarly, I can just click on the notepad, and this is available. You can do anything, you can save the file there, and similarly I can open the tax software as well. It is running for the first time on this machine, so probably take some time because it requires some internal configuration for the first time. So it is running there. Now once this is complete, you will find the user ID and password screen. Press on the login button. Now this is done. The entire functionality will be there, obviously. Because of the time we will not be. If I say so I have to select the backup file. There is a facility wherein you can switch this off also. So once this is done, I will just close this, and again I will log in into the same application from a different user now. So earlier we have created Vikas and Pankaj both, so we have already logged in from Pankaj. Now if we log in using Vikas as a user, you can see that he has been defined, he has been assigned with different programs like Tally, Busy and Notepad. So similarly he can also just click it, and this is the educational version. I say select it, the company, and you are now good to go and just do your entries in Tally. So entire data will be available on Tally, and you can be working on a collaborated way. This, and then so this is how you can operate this with this much of things.